Hey guys, come on, let's go check out the water. A lot of the videos you guys are probably seeing pop up on your feeds right now are, hey, how do I set New Year's resolutions? How do I stick to my New Year's resolutions? A lot of you guys are probably really fired up and excited for the possibility of a new year. Turn the page on 2020, the chance of a fresh start, and really trying to make this year, 2021, better than the last year. I'm in Florida right now, directly on the waterway right here. It goes out to the ocean, guys. I just have a couple quick points for you guys. I'm gonna summarize my year. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you my New Year's resolutions or how you should set goals or how you should live, think or feel or act, or etc., etc. I'm just gonna share some of my observations from the past year and really what advice I'm giving myself, and if any of you guys find it relevant, that would be great. If not, make sure to subscribe and leave a like on the video regardless. But guys, look, so we're looking at the ocean right here. I'm down here in Florida, big houses all around, and really what I'm seeing, guys, is that you're gonna reach a point at your life, and this is a retirement community. This is Marco Island, Florida. It's a really nice area. But there's a lot of older people and older demographic guys, and really what you're gonna see is the older you get in life, guys, the less motivation you're gonna have, the less drive you're gonna have, the less energy you're gonna have. Just go talk to your grandparents, go talk to your parents that could be retired, go talk to people at a senior citizen community, and guys, what you're gonna hear is, oh, I'm happy where I'm at. Oh, I've made my $1 million and now I'm playing defensive. You're playing scared to lose. You're not really driving, you're not really trying to grow, and you reach that point of stagnation where you're just trying to have fun, guys. And once you reach that point, a lot of people live their entire lives aspiring to get to that point, saying, oh, I just want to retire, I want to go live on the beach and just sunny days ahead, guys. And that could be the case for you guys, but the way I look at it is when I'm down here in comfort and living in luxury, living in the sun, getting a tan, I'm getting a beautiful bronze skin, guys, is that when I don't have that central purpose or that thing driving me to be better, I honestly get a little bored, guys. And the reason I say this is to really create urgency in yourself, and something Jeff Bezos talks about is regret minimization. If you think about your life and span it out to, let's say, 70, 80, 65, 59 and a half when you finally can collect that 401k that you contribute to. Also, I'm gonna make a video, would not recommend putting much to the 401k, guys. It's trash. But think about this, guys. You're gonna reach an age where, like we said, you're gonna get complacent, you're not gonna wanna work. What are you gonna have at that age? Not just from a success and financial standpoint, but also from a people standpoint, also from a family standpoint, from a real estate standpoint. What are you gonna own, guys? What are you gonna have by that point? Because you wanna make sure your life is set up by that point. So how can you reverse engineer to apply that to you in your life right now, heading into 2021? My thoughts on this, guys, are urgency. A lot of you guys who watch this are driven males. We do have some females now. Shout out to all you guys out there. A lot of you guys have been reaching out to me on LinkedIn asking for sales tips. This ultimately is a sales channel. The YouTube thumbnail here, not the thumbnail, but the channel art, if you go on the main page, is how to become a better salesperson. And that's what we talk about on this channel. But ultimately I want to help you guys become more successful, guys, and really how you're going to get there is really having more urgency in your days and really thinking beginning with the end in mind, as Stephen Covey says in his book, The 7 Habits of Highly Successful People. Think about what you want, guys. I would encourage you guys to not necessarily go set New Year's resolutions, but just think about, what do you want in life? Do you want to be married with 2 kids? Do you want to have a house in a community? Do you want to have 2 houses? Do you want to have 3 houses? Do you want to own one of these buildings around here, guys? What do you want? If you don't know what you want, how are you ever going to get there? And the New Year's is a great time to reflect on where you've been going, where you want to go, and how you're trending in that direction, guys. A lot of you guys, think about this. Did you write down goals at the end of 2019 heading into 2020? What were those goals, and did you get closer to those goals, or have you not even worked towards those goals in 2020, guys? A lot of people make excuses. A lot of people say the pandemic, maybe I lost my job, maybe the stock market, maybe that relationship didn't work, maybe I don't have the energy because I'm not fit, guys. It's a variety of things, but I would encourage you guys, and this is something I remind myself every day, of just take responsibility for your situation, what's happening in your life, guys. If something bad happens to you, own up to it and take the responsibility. If I can't close this deal by the end of Q4, it's my responsibility, guys, for not driving urgency sooner and really getting them to agree to sooner timelines. So a couple things, guys. Realize you're gonna reach a point where you're not gonna be able to work anymore and you're really gonna be fixed in life. So you wanna make sure you set up your life so that you're in a great position when you get to that point. You can come to a beautiful beach community in Florida and you're set up and you have nothing to worry about, and you've built the life you want to live into your back end years, guys. Have urgency, drive that into your New Year's. Make sure to think about, what do you even want in the New Year's? What are you working towards? Make sure you know that clearly, guys. Just to give you a little context on what I'm working towards, I've been writing down a goal of mine for a while to run a marathon. I was going to do the Dallas Marathon in 2020, but hey, it got canceled due to COVID. So it has been rescheduled to 2021, April. And I'm training right now, guys, and my goal, and I commit this to you guys, so keep me accountable. Make sure to let me know in the comments. I will not be drinking alcohol until I run the marathon in April, guys. So that is a goal of mine. That's a commitment to you guys. I want to get fit. I want to try and get some abs. I'm not going to show you guys right now. We're trying to get the beach body ready for pool season. But yeah, emphasis on working out, emphasis on health, emphasis on completing these goals, of course, advancing in my sales career. And guys, I say this all to motivate you guys. These are some of the thoughts that I'm thinking about. Hope some of you guys have found some value from this. I know I'm rambling a little bit, just said, hey, I'm gonna come stand by the water and share my thoughts, guys. At the end of the day, we're all people. I'm a person, you're a person watching. A person created YouTube, a person created the internet, I think. I don't exactly know, but just realize you're a person, I'm a person. Most of you guys are salespersons. And ultimately, it's all about human connection, talking to people, guys. Make sure you have good relationships. That's what I'm realizing, spending some time with family down in Florida, guys. That's really all that matters. But then how can you build on that and live a better life by being more successful, et cetera, et cetera. But yeah, hope you guys find some value from this. This is gonna go live in 2021. So if you wake up extremely hungover and you're watching this hungover, I'm sorry, guys. Feel better, think about what you want, guys, and go get it. Let's make 2021 a great year. We're gonna turn the page on 2020. 2020, guys, believe it or not, has been one of the best years of my life because I've taken responsibility, had a great start with stock market gains. Fortunately, I've kept my job, I've gotten in better shape, guys. So just make the best of your situation and let me know how I can help, as always, guys, and go make 2021 the best year of your life, guys. Signing off, a lot of content on the way. Join me on the journey, guys. We're gonna grow this channel. It's gonna be a lot bigger. When we look back on this in the end of 2021, heading into 2022, we're gonna have new goals, guys, and really appreciate all of you guys who are joining me on this journey. And we'll see you in the next video.